Hello dear students. In this video we are going to see some MCQs of B.Ed second year course number 203 School and Inclusive School. All of you welcome on my channel. Now see question number 1. Dash dash is lifelong developmental disability that affects how a person communicates with and relates to other people. See options: learning disabilities, autism, mentally impaired, none of these. Correct answer is B, autism. Now see question number 2. Dash dash it is a language based disability in which a person has trouble understanding words, sentences or paragraph. Options: dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia, dyspraxia. Correct answer is A, dyslexia. Question number 3. Dash dash in this disability, person has difficulty in seeing, hearing or even both. Options are intellectual disabilities, physical disabilities, sensory disabilities and psychiatric. Correct option is C, sensory disabilities. Now see question number 4. Dash dash is a term which encompasses a set of neurological conditions that cause physical disability in human development they affect. Options: orthopedic impairment, cerebral palsy, both of these, none of these. Correct option is B, cerebral palsy. Question number 5. Mild mental impaired or retardation, approximately 85% of the mentally retarded population is in the mildly related category. Their IQ score range is: options: A, IQ scores range is 50 to 70, B, IQ scores range is 35 to 55, C, IQ scores range is 20 to 40 and D, IQ scores range is not defined. Correct option is A, IQ scores range is 50 to 70. Question number 8. This term usually implies little or no visual sensitivity to light at any level. This condition is rare in people: A, totally blind, B, low vision, C, partially vision and D, none of this. So correct option is A, totally blind. Question number 9. Dash dash has must knowledge the general education curriculum and be able to ensure that IEP is implemented. Options: parents, students, school administrator and the last one, evaluation personnel. Correct option is C, school administrator. Now see question number 10. Dash dash is the teaching that is undertaken for providing remedial education to those are in need for overcoming their deficiencies, weakness. Options are A, team teaching, B, co-teaching, C, circle of friend and D, remedial teaching. Correct option is D, remedial teaching. Question number 11. Dash dash inclusion promotes law and policies that ensure cultural participation, access and the right to express and interpret culture. Options are A, social inclusion, B, economic inclusion, C, cultural inclusion and D, none of these. So correct option is C, cultural inclusion. Now see question number 12. In cases dash dash, symptom is generally more active and they find especially hard to settle down for quiet. A, inconsistency, B, hyperactivity, C, inattention and D, impulsivity. Correct answer is A, inconsistency. Question number 13. Dash dash is components of individual educational plan, that is IEP. Options are A, benchmarks, B, annual goals, C, progress and D, all of these. So correct option is all of these: benchmark, annual goal and progress. All of these is component of individual educational plan. Option D. Now see question number 14. Blended learning framework has dash dash component. Options are 4, 6, 8 and 9. So correct answer is C. Blended learning framework has 8 component. And the last question, ADHD stands for. So options are A. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, B. Attention deficiency health disorder, C. Attention deficit health disorder, and D. Attention deficiency hyperactivity disorder. Correct option is A. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.